The Patels or Patidars, the poster boys of vibrant Gujarat, for whom Narendra Modi could do no wrong.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने बताया कि अगर किसी युवा को बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है, उनको गारंटर चाहिए, तो गुजरात गवर्नमेंट उनकी गारंटर बनेगी। तो ये सब जो चीज़ है, उससे आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि कितना गुजरात गवर्नमेंट और नरेंद्र मोदी जी युवाओं को बिजनेस सेटअप करने में और ये उनको आगे आने में कितना एंकरेज करती है।
But barely a year after Namo left Gandhinagar for New Delhi, the Patels are questioning his 15-year-old legacy, led by the young and aggressive Hardik Patel.
वोट आए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट करेगी कौन किसको देना है। हमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट दे या हाई कोर्ट, भाजपा दे या कांग्रेस, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं हमें। हमें हमारा हक चाहिए, प्यार से चाहिए, आन से चाहिए, बाण से चाहिए, शान से चाहिए।
While the economically weaker group of Kadwa Patels is demanding OBC status to become eligible for reservations in government jobs and educational institutions, the globalized better-off Lehua Patels want all caste-based quotas to be scrapped. A turnaround from 1981, when the Patidars launched a violent agitation opposing reservations for Dalits and Adivasis, and in 1985, ironically, against the other backward castes. More than 100 people were killed in the protests. The Patidars are 15% of Gujarat's population, but wield a disproportionate amount of financial and political power. Primarily agriculturists, they dominate industries as diverse as real estate, diamonds, pharmaceuticals and textiles. Congress loyalists till the late 1970s, the Patels quit the party after it forged an alliance of the backward caste Kshatriyas, Harijans, Adivasis and Muslims, popularly known as KHA. For the last 30 years, they have been BJP supporters in exchange for power. Presently, 40 of the 120 BJP MLAs in the state are Patels, including Chief Minister Anandiben and 7 of her senior cabinet colleagues.
Hello.
So why is the community feeling disadvantaged?
हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ी के हक की बात है, हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ी के विकास की बात है। अगर इस देश का युवा इसी रोड पर आंदोलन के जरिए अपना हक मांगने निकलता है और उसे योग्य हक नहीं मिलता, तो उनमें से ही कोई नक्सलवाद पैदा हो सकता है, उसी में ही कोई आतंकवाद पैदा हो जाता है।
Students of the college run by the Charutar Vidya Mandal, an educational society in central Gujarat, many of whom are Patels from middle class and wealthy families, believe reservations in premier engineering, IT, medical and management colleges prevent them from getting a professional degree and a US visa.
Nowadays, opportunities are very low to go US and abroad and getting job. So Patel have to educate their child for getting good job and go to abroad. That's why they need this reservation quota.
In villages and towns across Gujarat's wealthiest districts of Anand and Kheda, which have a large population of Lehua Patidars, at least one member from every household has settled in the US or the UK, where work opportunities have shrunk in the last decade, forcing a growing number of young Patels to give up their New Jersey dream.
Every people, Patidar, Patel, everyone want to go abroad, but now, as you said, it is hard to go abroad, and not all of them have business, family business, and lot of lands to start agricultural business. So they have to go in professional and wants to get to jobs, but it is hard due to this OBC, this all reservation system. So it should be abolished, reservation system.
For people like us, we do our bachelors, we do our masters, and we go into we search for MNCs to work in. We are not actually into government jobs में कुछ होगा हमारे लिए, और are they paying us good we mainly focus on, are they paying us good? So maybe youths are not actually into the government sector.
But while they are aspiring to join the IITs and IIMs and land top positions in multinational companies, the Karwa Patels of North Gujarat are less ambitious. Mainly small cultivators who want government jobs because they see no future in agriculture.
हमको तो मैडम आरक्षण चाहिए ही, क्योंकि आज सभी लोग बोल रहे हैं कि पाटीदार के पास ज़मीन बहुत है, लेकिन ज़मीन में जो बोया जाता है बीज, उनका जो उसमें मजूरी करता है पाटीदार और दूसरे लोग भी कराते हैं, उनका भाव आज 70 रुपया है मजूरी का 2 घंटे का। उसके बाद वो आगे शाक मार्केट में वो सब्जी लेके जाते हैं तो उनका कोई भाव नहीं मिलता है सही तरीके से।
In the last decade, improved irrigation facilities led to a high agricultural growth of 8% per annum. But it was not inclusive. Today, the head of every third Patidar household is a marginal farmer or a landless labourer. Many are graduates chasing the urban middle class dream.
मजदूरी वाली नौकरियां तो बढ़ी है, लेकिन जिसको अच्छी पढ़ाई की है 90% लाया तो क्या वो मजदूरी करना चाहेगा?
Gujarat has the lowest unemployment rate in the country at 1.2% against the national average of 4.9%. But not enough white-collar jobs have been created to accommodate their aspirations.
The growth of SDP in Gujarat has been highly capital intensive. As a result, jobs which are created are not many, and jobs which are created are highly professional jobs. In Adani's or in Reliance or in SR kind of factories and big large infrastructural projects, etc., the good jobs are taken up by those who are professionally qualified, and these jobs are taken up also largely by outsiders. The jobs which are created for the middle people or the low level are casual, maybe some clerical jobs or small petty servicing, petty trading, petty manufacturing kind of jobs, which are not very remunerative, which are not very productive, and which are in the informal sector. That means they don't get social protection. So these people are not very happy with the jobs that they get, particularly when they are educated.
In such a situation, government jobs offer security and dignity.
कि वो पाटीदार थे जब वो पहले के कहलाते थे सद्दर, वो अब नहीं रहे, सब समान हो गए। इसलिए गवर्नमेंट की जैसे भी जॉब मिल जाए वो करने के लिए तैयार है, चाहे बीएसएफ हो, सीआरपी हो, एसआरपी हो या पुलिस कांस्टेबल हो।
तो अब मतलब मजबूरी आ गई है।
हाँ, मजबूरी आ गई है पटेल की, इसलिए।
This frustration has been growing for a long time now. 3 years ago, on the outskirts of Rajkot in Saurashtra, we had met Ravi, who was studying to be an engineer, but the experience of his seniors in the job market had put a question mark on his future.
तो हमारे नेक्स्ट बेंच थे, उसमें से 60 लोग निकले हैं पासिंग आउट, उसमें से 2 ही लोग जॉब पर है। इसलिए देखा जाए तो 80% लोग बेकार बैठे हैं और दूसरे लड़के हैं जो खेती है और जिसका धंधा है वो धंधे पे चढ़ गए और जो खेती वाले लोग अभी भी खेती कर रहे हैं।
But increasingly, there is not much to go back to, especially after the decline of micro, small and medium enterprises in the state, in which a large section of Patidars in rural areas had invested their surplus cash from agriculture. Today, of the 2.61 lakh MSMEs registered with the state government, which employ more than 21 lakh people, mainly Patels, 48,000 have closed down, the second largest number of Sikh units anywhere in the country after Uttar Pradesh. And to make matters worse, the diamond industry of Surat, controlled by the Patels of Saurashtra, is facing a sharp slump. In the past 6 months, more than 10,000 workers have been laid off, nearly 150 units have shut down.
7 साल से फैक्ट्री चला रहा हूँ, हम 3 भागीदार हैं। पहला बहुत अच्छा था, पहले हम 15 घंटे चला रहे थे, हमारे पास 45 लोग थे, बाद में 30 किए, अब तो 12 है, 12 में से 3 तो हम अपने ही हैं। पहले हम सेठ की तरह बैठते थे, 45 लोग थे, अब तो कारीगर की तरह बैठते हैं। घर तो चलाना पड़ेगा, पहले 20,000 25,000 मिलते थे, अब 5,000 में चलाना पड़ता है। तो इतनी मंदी ही है, माहौल ही मंदी का इस तरह है। डायमंड का नाम पड़ता है तो ना बोल देते हैं।
That's why the Patels of Gujarat are frustrated and want more. But at what cost and whose?